So, good day to you, sir. Today, mag-explain ko sa laboratory. So, ang activity kay nag-focus siya sa basic concepts sa PHP programming, such as ang conditional statements, loops, or functions, and built-in functions. So, ang first is ang conditional statements. So, kini na part is nagamit siya og conditional statements na ang program, i-check niya ang number and determines whether it is positive, negative, or zero using ang if and else statements. After that, i-check niya ang number if even ba siya or odd using the modulus operator. So, this part of the activity shows how PHP makes decisions based on the conditions. So, mauni ang results ana. So, ang gipili niya is positive and odd number. So, sa second is loops. So, sa loops is first, ang for loop kay mag-display siya number from 1 to 20. So, this, money for loop. Then, ang next is ang while loop, which mag-calculate siya og sum sa numbers from 1 to 10. So, lastly is ang do while loop, which prints the multiplication table of 5. So, kini na part is mag-demonstrate siya og how ang loops help repeat tasks efficiently without writing the same code multiple times. So, ang next is ang user-defined functions. So, sa user-defined function, ang result sa ato na code is sa sa functions, sa loops is so, ang result sa functions is, di ba, money for loop. So, nagkuan siya 1 to 20. Then, ang sum of the number. The sum of the numbers from 1 to 10. So, sa do while loop, ang ipili niya is multiplication by 5s. Then, after is ang user-defined functions, which kini is kining greet user na function, mao ni siya ang mag-display sa greeting message. Then, ang computer average function is mao ni siya mag-calculate sa average of 3 numbers. Then, ang is prime is ang kining is prime na function is mao siya ang mag-checks if ang number is a prime number. So, kini na part is mag-show siya how ang functions can makahimo siya program na mas organized and reusable. So, mao ni siya ang results ana, which is this. Mao ni siya nag-greet users. So, gi-greet niya. Then is ang compute average, which gipakita niya is 20. Then 11 is ang prime. Then the fourth part of the code ang fourth part is ang built-in PHP functions. So kini na part is nagamit siya og built-in PHP functions para sa strings and magbilang siya characters. Then, i-change siya to lowercase and uppercase. So, reverse the string and found the position of the word. For arrays, we sorted the elements, reversed their order, and counted the total number of items. So, kini na part is mag-highlight siya og how PHP provides built-in tools to simplify common tasks. So, mao ni siya ang results. So, ang last is ang integration. So, kini na part is i-combine niya ang tanang concepts. So, ang program, i-accept niya ang string and converts it to lowercase and splits niya into characters and sort them and displays the result using a for loop. All the logic is placed inside the user-defined function. So, this part integrates conditions and loops and built-in functions and reusable functions sa isa ka program. So, mo ni siya ang nag-result AGGIMNOPRR. That's all. Thank you. More to sir and thank you.